Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at order blocks. We need to understand that we have two types of order blocks. First thing, we have the bearish order block, and then we have the bullish order block. So by definition, when we are talking about a bullish order block, it's simply the last down candle, okay? Simply going to be the last down candle that will form the lowest low prior to the up move. Before price can take off and go up, you're going to be looking at the last down candle that will form the lowest low, and we take that candle as our what? As our bullish order block. So when price get to that level again, we're going to expect to see buy opportunities unfolding, okay? And also when we talk about a bearish order block, we are talking about the last up candle that is going to form the highest high prior to the down move. So that's what you need to keep in mind. It's going to form the highest high prior to the down move. The last candle that will form the highest high prior to the down move, and that's going to be your bearish order block. So when price get to that candle, what you're going to be looking for, it's actually to sell. Okay, it's actually to sell. So let me just go to the next example. So these are example here. If you get to look at this level here, you can see that we have this last candle and we also have this candle, okay? But we did not mark this candle or indicated this candle as our order block, okay? Why? Because if you look here, this is the last up candle that has formed the highest high, okay? So this is the last candle that has the highest high than this, okay? So this is gonna be our order block here. So this is gonna be our order block, okay? So we have our bearish order block and price get to this level and we get to see price going down, okay? And also the same thing that we see here, we have our candle here, our bearish order block, and price get to this level and quickly go down, okay? And also it's same thing that we see here, price get to this level, although price didn't really touch this level, it just depends with the broker. Some broker with long spikes, price really touched here, but unfortunately I'm using IC market, it doesn't have a lot of huge spikes, okay? So we go to the next example now. We can see that we have a bullish order block, okay? So if you look at this candle here, you get to see that this is actually the last candle prior to the down move that has formed the lowest low, okay? So we take it as our bullish order block. So when price get to this level, we want to see price spiking this level and quickly go up, okay? So this is the same thing that we see here, okay? So price really shoot up, went up, come back a little bit, and then it gets to this level of our what? Of our bearish order block, and we are looking forward to do what? To sell. And price indeed, it went down, okay? And then we get to see price pulling up and coming to this order block here, and then we do what? We sell, okay? So that's what we need to understand about order blocks. There is a bearish order block, there is a bullish order block, okay? So when price get to that level, you take advantage of it. So if you see here, we get to see that, let me just show you something here. If you look at here, you can see that we have this candle here coming back that is indicated here. Okay, you see this indicated candle, which is what we call our propulsion block, okay? So our propulsion block, it's simply the candle that will come and dip in a little bit and close bearish here, okay? Before price take off. So this candle here, it's gonna be our propulsion block, okay? So some people will say, since we have 1, 2 candle and 1, 2 here, they will say it's a base. It's okay to say that. But in this case, if it's near to your bullish order block or your bearish order block, it's gonna be what we call a propulsion block. So then we see price getting to this level and quickly go away. So I just wanted to clarify the order block issue, okay, so that you get to have an understanding of what is an order block. So without any waste of time, let me end this video. I'm gonna see you in the next session.